Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains At. And today we're at Hampden Park on the East Coast Rail line. So you're visiting services delayed by Southern Clark 377s, 171s and the Clark 313. Over there is 377-104 just departed on a Southern service to Org, 1745. Next in is our Next is our 1752 Southern service to Eastbourne, following our 1755 Southern service to Eastbourne. So yeah, 171 heading to there. So yeah, this is another episode of Train at Hampden Park. Okay, we've got a cancel coming through. Basically someone kick 3. Basically someone 63377. 131 on the rear on a cancelled. Okay, next train to pass by would be the Southern service to Eastbourne, non-stop. Calling it Eastbourne only. Basically 7139. Basically 7139 to Eastbourne. Let it go. The next train to pass platform 2 is it's a Southern Southern bound for Ashes National for the Clark 171. Going pretty slow because there's fell free just up the line ahead of it, so going pretty slow. And we got 17725. 17725 to Ashes National. Okay, now coming into the 1759 Southern service to London Victoria, 377142. And let's move 303 204 performing the Southern service to Eastbourne. Here we go, 303 204 now departing. Halfway to 4 to Eastbourne, next Victoria 7142 with the Southern Southern bound for London Victoria. Now slowly passing right through is our Southern Service bound for Brighton for the 171. It is 17722. Heading to Brighton. Calling at Polegate, Lewis and Brighton.